Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It is Daskalos and today I'm going to teach you how to cook spinach in Turkish style. Alright, before you continue watching, don't forget to click like to this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel to look for different videos, not only cooking style. Okay, but today's going to be cooking because I feel like cooking. And I'm going to show you the ingredients first. You can take a look at them, you can try. I'm not a great cook, but sometimes you need to take care of yourself and you need to cook well, and to be able to do that you need to learn something to cook. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients now one by one, name the ingredients, but you can also you will be able to take a look down below the video and see the list of ingredients that I use and to cook this meal. And the proportion doesn't matter. You can double, you can triple if you wish. If you can, you can even decrease the proportions accordingly and relatively. So it's up to you. But in my case, I cook as much as I can, so I can use it for my whole day or for a couple of days. All right, because I don't want to cook again and again. That's like lazy cooking. All right, so let's go. So what I have here is some spinach over here. Not so fresh, but still will do the thing, and some vinegar. I will use some tomato paste, all right, and a whole onion, an average one. Onion, okay. I got 6 tablespoons of rice, all right, half a tablespoon of sugar, and this will be paprika. Okay, it's I guess it was like 1 tablespoon of paprika. All right, and I have olive oil, like 3 tablespoons as well. So let's go. The next thing you do is you chop down these little roots, like pinkish roots, off the spinach, and then you start cutting off the. Make sure you rinse it, and then you drain it, and then you cut off the spinach into small pieces. After having sliced your spinach into small pieces according to your liking, all right, you need a big bowl filled with water. Don't mind the water, I just soaked it inside. That's why the color has changed a little bit. So don't mind the color. You will need 1 tablespoon of vinegar into this water. There we go. And then you need to soak the spinach inside and put it aside for 10 minutes. There you go. Let it soak like that for 10 minutes. Now it's 10:35. Okay, take it off like 10:45. Yeah. So after you've chopped down your onions to small pieces like this, you're ready to cook. And take an oven or a pan and take a pan and start adding it one by one. We'll be adding it one by one. So after you had some time to heat up your oven, you can add some oil to it. And then we're gonna add some onions. All right, and there you go. You stir it like that until it gets soft. Constantly, it will take about like 5 minutes, give or take. Constantly stirring it, and then we will add some tomato paste. Make sure you add salt a little bit according to your liking. All right, and some pepper, of course. Some pepper, not too much. And then make sure stir it. And now we sprinkle some paprika over it. I added 3 tablespoons of tomato paste because I'm not using whole tomato. So, and I'm gonna add up some half a cup of boiled water. And continuously stir it and wait like for 1 minute. Yeah, now it looks better. Looks like our sauce is getting ready for our spinach meal. Stir it like that for 1 minute, and right after 1 minute you can add like half of a tablespoon of sugar. There you go, let's sprinkle some sugar on top of it. And now we're going to add spinach to our tomato sauce. And make sure you rinse it and drain it a couple of more times to make sure the spinach is clean. All right, there we go. I'll have to use my second hand. Here's our spinach. Alright, fiasco avoided, and we're gonna cover and stir it occasionally from time to time for about like 2 minutes. So after about 3 minutes, this is how your spinach should be, your meal should be looking like in the process. And now we're going to add some water. Hot water is preferable, or even boiled, but we're going to add just cold water because we don't have hot water. So I don't have it now, and I'm going to add some rice on top of it. And my bad is that I had some cold water and I hated it, and now I'm going to add the rice and spread it all over evenly. Now I'll probably need to add some more water. And let it simmer for like 20 minutes. As you can see, like the water, everything is submerged in water, like the spinach, the rice. And at this point, you can add some more salt and maybe 1 more tablespoon of salt, and then some pepper to your liking. It depends on you, to your taste. So, and then let it simmer on your lowest fire possible, and for about like 15 to 20 minutes. Cover the cap and make sure like you stir it occasionally from time to time, and then after like 15 minutes, if the rice is ready, and check for tenderness, and if it's fine, then you're ready to serve it. So the final product should be looking something like this. All right, you can just serve some yogurt on top, and then just serve it. Add some yogurt on top and serve it. There you go, bon appetit. All right, hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to show your support. Thanks.